Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So we are learning about the sending the messages, right? So let's try to send the messages here. So if you try to see the terminal of ours, let me clear out this terminal and also the server also I will be clearing it off. So now what we are trying to do, we are assigning a unique ID. So if I try to start the server in our previous video, now here if you log in to our client.js file, here you'll be able to see a new ID has been created, and also here you'll be able to see a new client has been connected. Now if I try to connect here into a new client, again another client I am connecting it, so a new ID has been assigned, that is ID2. So that means for this chat server, two clients has been connected with the user1 and user2. And here if I try to send a message, hi user2 or something like this, so here we are able to see a message has been sent by the user1, and the message he has sent it is the hi user2. And here if I try to send a message hi something, and here you will be able to see that the user2 has sent a message something hi something like this. So now what we need to do here in our server.js file, we need to format this message, we need to extract the ID. Okay, we need to extract the ID, and also we need to extract the message from this one. So let's try to do it. So what we can do, let's try to implement this one. So here this is the message we are getting it, right? Let's try to keep this one as a data. Okay, and here constant data str is equal to data dot to string. So now I got the string. So why? Because it will be getting it as a buffer. So now what I will be doing it, so we need to get the ID. Here what I will be doing is, so data str dot substring of 0 and up to where I need to get it. So where I can find data str dot index of hyphen. So the first hyphen which I get by find. So from to there I need to get the ID. Now I need to get the message also. So what is the user message that the user wants to send it? Data str dot substring of. So I need to find it of data str dot index of, and I will be trying to find the hyphen message, message hyphen. So this is the message, and I need to add +9 for this one. So why? Because so this is the total selection is 9 has been selected, so the +9 I need to do. So now I extracted the message and this one. So if I try to do the console.log of ID and also the console.log of message, let's try to see whether we can able to extract it or not. So I will stop the server, automatically the client also will be stopped. Okay, now what I will do, I will run this server again, node server.js file. So I am running the server node, and here I will be running the node client.js file. So the ID is 1, and here I am doing hi Leela, and now the message you will be able to see the user ID is 1 and the message is hi Leela. So I am able to extract the message and also the ID also. So what I need to do, I need to format this one. I need to send it to the whatever the clients that has been connected, so that I can able to, so that in the chat box we can able to show it. So for this one what I will do, it is constant formatted message is equal to, here what we will do, so user and dollar of ID and colon, and we will be showing the message. That's it. I'll be showing the message. That's it. Now we got the formatted message. Now I want to send it to the each client that has been connected. So that means the each client that has been connected to the server, we are storing it in the array. Now I need to loop over this each client, and I need to show one by one. So here clients dot for each of client. So I am getting the client. Here I will be doing client dot socket. Inside this one we are having a socket. Why? Because here I will be showing, I will be pushing the ID and also the socket. So client dot socket dot write, and I will send the formatted message. That's it. That's it. So now here I'm trying to send it the everything. Now let's go to the client.js file. Okay, here we are consoling the data str. So that is nothing but the data which we are trying to send it to the server. Now if you try to see the output for this one, here let me stop the server again, clear it, and here I will start the server again, and here also I will clear this one. I will start the client.js file, and here I will be showing hi Leela, and here you'll be able to see the user one has typed a message hi Leela, and here you'll be able to see the new client has been connected, and that one is sending the message hi Leela. Now if I try to send it something like doing or something like this, so you'll be able to see the user one is sending a message. So fine, so let's try to connect the another client. So there is nothing but user2 has connected. Now here I will be sending the hi anybody there. So something like this message I am sending user2. Now if you go to the user1, see here you'll be able to see that user2 has sent a message. So okay, we are having some formatting issues, so we'll try to do it. User2 message also we are able to see this one. So that means we are successfully able to send the message, but we need to do some formatting for this one. In order to do the formatting for this one, what we'll do, first of all, we will clear this out. We'll move the cursor up. First of all, we'll press, we'll move a little bit down. We'll move the cursor up and we'll clear it off. Okay. Let's go to the server.js file. So whoever the user is coming here, oh sorry, in the client.js file. So this is the code we are having it, right? Here what I will try to do, move the cursor up to 0, -1, and I will try to clear line. That's it. Let's try to see whether we can able to achieve it or not. We'll do await, and this also await, as these both are, sorry, both are not async await. Okay, I thought that those are async await. Fine. Now let's go into our code. Here I will be stopping the server.js file, so I will be connecting again server.js file. Now let's connect to here node client.js file. Okay, and another user also I will try to connect it out. So here I will connect it out. Yeah, okay, hi anybody there. So here I sent a message user to anybody there, and here I'm able to receive the message hi anybody there. Okay, but it is coming, the gap is coming. Okay, we'll try to see it. I am here, so we have a message I am here, that user2 message has been gone. We'll try to see that one. User1 message also, user2 message also has been gone. So what is the reason here is, so just simple. So here we are trying to move one cursor up and all this. Just where we'll have one console.log empty, and we'll try to see it now whether we can able to achieve this one. So here this time I am stopping the client again, and here also I am stopping the client again, and start the client again. Node client.js file. Okay, user ID is 3, and here node client.js file, and user ID is 4. Okay, and here let's see hi Leela. So we are able to get this hi Leela. Fine, and here also we are able to get perfectly WhatsApp, and I kept the WhatsApp user4, and here we should be able to see receive the WhatsApp. So now whatever the message I am trying to write it here, user3, so here we are able to see it, and here also we are able to see it, and user4 also can able to chat. So this is how we will be implementing the identifying the user ID, and we are sending the message to this. So now we have formatted the message. Hopefully everything is working fine for our TCP client chat. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.